Hey guys, how's it going? It's iTech Block here, and today I'm going to show you how to take apart the Blackberry Bold 9000. So what you have to do, it's really easy compared to iPhones. All you have to do is turn it off. Just wait till it turns off. Then once it does, you want to take out the battery. Then you have to have a toolkit, and you have to have a screwdriver that fits. And there's 6 screws. All you have to do is just unscrew all of them. You want to remove the battery. Should have done that before taking out the screws, but that's okay. Then you take out the SIM card. Put it to the side. And then you also want it to take out, if you have a memory card, take it out before taking it out, but I don't have one, so it's okay. And then all you have to do is just pop it out. It's really easy. And then that's this part. Put that to the side. And then you want to pop out this, which all you have to do is just be kind of firm on the keyboard, push against it. And it should come out after a bit. You might want to pull up the bezel a bit too, and you can push it out. And once you have a hold of it, then you can just push it. And then you have this piece, and this is the really important part. This is what makes the Blackberry function. It's the motherboard, and this is the screen. And there's a way to take the screen off. It's really easy. Just check out other videos. I'll put the links in the description, but it's really easy. So then I'll put this to the side. And then there's the bezel and the keyboard, and that goes like that. You'll hear a click. Then this is the important part. If you want to change the trackball, I'll do that some other time because I have a gold trackball coming, and that should be coming tomorrow. So I'll do that later. I'll do that in my next video. You have to make sure you slide it in there. You have to be firm with this. So now that's all together. Now you just need to take this back portion again, put it back on it. And you take your 6 screws, put it all back in, you put them all back in, and then you put your battery in, and you put the back cover on. Snap that on. Oh, and you have to put your SIM card in too. I forgot to do that, but I'll just show you. And it will be turning on. You'll see how there's that red light. now it's fully loaded. That's just my mobile backup, it's not really important. And then that's all you do. It's really easy. So if you have any broken parts, all you have to do is buy the parts off of eBay. They're really cheap if you get them from China, and all of them are surprisingly pretty good. And if you guys need any help, just send me a comment and I'll help you out for sure. So yeah, subscribe. I have more videos coming.